Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Avocado channel. In today's video, we are going to make oatmeal stuffed bread for those who seek healthy food and for those who suffer gluten intolerance and celiac disease. Oat flour is completely different from wheat flour. It's not easy to let it rise and be fluffy, but in this video I am trying to help in making it as good as possible. I hope you enjoy watching. Let's start the recipe. For today's recipe we need 1 cup warm milk, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon instant dried yeast. Mix and cover it until rise. It makes bubble, that means it's good. So we'll add the oat flour. First I added 1 cup of oat flour. Mix well, then cover and let it rest until makes bubbles like that. Then add 1 egg and 1 egg white. We'll use egg yolk in brushing the bread before baking. Half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix. Then add 2 cups of oat flour. Mix and cover, let rest until rise. Now I think it needs more flour. I added 1/4 cup of oat flour. I want it very moist dough. Knead with your hand. It's a little bit sticky. Cover and let rest for about half an hour in a warm place. Meanwhile, prepare the filling. For the filling, saute 1 small chopped onion with 5 tablespoons of minced beef. Saute in some oil for about 5 minutes. Then add salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder. Saute for 5 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped pepper and 2 tablespoons of grated carrot. Saute for 5 minutes, then it's ready. The second filling is a mix of cheese, different type of cheese, mozzarella, cream cheese, cheddar, black seeds and sesame seeds. Now the third filling, 2 tablespoons of thyme, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix, then it's ready. Now the dough is ready. It's moist, sticky. Now start to make the bread. Now mix the egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk, a pinch of salt and black pepper, then brush the bread. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds and black seeds on top. Cover and let rest for about 1 hour. Then bake in a preheated oven to 200 Celsius degrees for about 25 minutes or till done. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Till we meet again. Goodbye.